Hello, I'm Mason Khalif. I'm come with a new video. Today I'm going to talk about iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro and what's the difference between it. These are the two most hyped devices right now in the tech world. No more wasting time, so let's get into it. Alright, in this video we're going to talk about only two products of this announcements, iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro, because these are the two most hyped products been released by Apple a couple of hours ago. So it's our duty to deliver these products at first. So we're going to find out what's new inside these two products. First we're going to talk about iPhone 13. At last Apple is giving us with a smaller notch by 20%. That's a great news, and it is official somehow. Censorship technology in iPhone 13, which was there in iPhone 12 Pro Max only. That's a really good thing. An all new A15 Bionic chip. Apple claimed it. This is the best chip ever built for any smartphone. Apple usually didn't give us any clue which chip they were comparing to, but they mentioned that this chip is 50% better performance on a CPU side and 30% greater performance on a GPU side. And the all new camera, like 1.7 pixels, 47% more light in it. That means you're gonna take a more greater low light performance than iPhone 12, not 12 Pro, not like iPhone 13 Pro. iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro has a total complete different camera setup this year. New cinematic video style. This is the most loving feature to me. Like you have now a dedicated cinematic mode to capture with. That's an amazing thing. Battery life is going to get a bit better. Like if it depends on how you use it on daily basis, but they mentioned that the battery life has 1 to 2.5 hours more than iPhone 12, which is great. And more brighter display, OLED XDR, 4.68 pixel per inch as it was before on iPhone 12, and 28% more brighter display. So now we're going to talk about price and variance. We have three variants on iPhone 13 side: 128, 256, 512GB variants, and all new 5 colors. And this year the most amazing thing is it's going to start with 128GB model. And we have the first new color is the new pink finish, and the second was the new blue finish, and the third one is the new midnight finish, and the fourth one is the new starlight finish, and the fifth one we all know the product rate, so we didn't mention it. And the starting price of this $799 as it was before. No pricing changes. That's a good thing. Okay, now we are going to talk about iPhone 13 Pro. It has some amazing changes to me. All new Apple A15 Bionic chip with 5-core GPU. That's the difference between iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro. iPhone 13 has 4-core graphics processing unit this year, and the iPhone 13 Pro has 5-core GPU. That means 50% faster graphics than Apple A14 Bionic chip. That's a huge upgrade. New camera sensor, larger 1.5 larger aperture, which is not available on iPhone 13. iPhone 13 has 1.6 as it was before on iPhone 12, like iPhone 12. New ultra wide camera with larger 1.8 aperture sensor. That means you're gonna take a greater amazing low light performance on the ultra wide sensor as well. And all new macro camera up to 2 meters. That is amazing. ProRes video up to 4K and 30 frames per second. That means you're gonna take amazing manual shot, and you're gonna color calibrate it by all your alone. That's an amazing thing. To a phone, this is really amazing. ProMotion LTPO display 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. It can refresh 10 Hz to 120 Hz, depends how you use it. This is after 2017, like Apple had it on iPad in 2017. Now for the first time they're gonna bring it like on iPhone 13 Pro. They brought back into it like iPhone 13 Pro. This is so amazing. This is so amazing and buttery display. And okay, let's talk about the price and the variants. We have 4 variants: 128, 256, 512, and the whopping 1 terabyte variants, and all 4 new colors. That is amazing. This is new 1 terabyte version for iPhone. We have the first series blue, and then golden, and then gray, and then as usual colors. Nobody like care about colors. I don't know what about you, but I don't care about any colors. But this is what we have actually. This is not a huge update. 12 to 12 Pro, like 12 Pro to 13, 13 to 13 Pro. This is not like a greater deal, like a lot of upgrade. No, this is small upgrades. Let's see for the future. But this is not like, if you have iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, there's no need to buy iPhone 13 or 13 Pro. Makes no sense to me, at least no sense. But the starting price, same, $999 US. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please hit a like. See you on the next one. Please subscribe.